Hi guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. Today my channel. This is a very good question I have to answer. And the question is a battery AC or DC voltage requirement? This is a very good question. Now, here we need to tell you whether the battery is AC or DC. We know that AC stands for alternating current, which is the flow of electrons that alternate directions repeatedly, while DC means direct current. However, the several batteries provide DC power to different equipment such as radios, laptops, computers, and microwaves. We know that a battery is a device that stores chemical energy and converts it to electrical energy. Lead acid batteries and lithium-ion batteries are the two most popular batteries of kind. We know that there are two types of electricity: alternating current, which is AC, and direct current, which is DC. Let's take note about this. Now, battery produces direct current, which is DC. Thus, a battery only provides direct current or DC. DC voltage is produced by chemical reactions within the battery. A battery does not directly store electrical energy. Instead, it converts electrical energy into chemical energy, which is then stored. While the battery is in use, the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. The electrical energy is used in the battery, which is DC rather than AC. Note, we always think that there are AC batteries, but in reality there are no AC batteries. The DC battery is capable of converting AC current with alternating current. Electrons can travel long distance without losing power. There will be no control when using an AC converter on a DC battery. It can even provide extra advantages by saving power in the battery unit. This is a little bit about battery, AC and DC. So let's take note about this. If you are new here and today is the first time discovering Eric Auto Center, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated. If you want to follow me on social media, on Facebook is Eric Auto TV, Instagram Eric Auto Center, X, which is formerly Twitter, Eric_Auto, and LinkedIn is Eric Auto Center. The ultimate YouTube is Eric Auto Center. So make sure you share my videos, make sure you like, you comment, and when you subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay updated, because we upload quality and useful information, video content on this platform. So if you want to know more about battery, please link me in the video description. And this is the complete step-by-step solution. Battery is a device that stores chemical energy, convert it to its energy, electrical. Lead acid batteries and lithium-ion batteries are the two most powerful popular battery kind. We know that there are two types of electricity, whether alternating current, which is AC, or direct current, DC. So the symbol AC means alternating current, and the symbol DC means direct current. Let's take note about that. Battery only provides direct current. It does not provide AC current. DC current is produced by chemical reactions within the battery. A battery does not store electrical energy. Instead, it converts electrical energy into chemical energy. Now I think I'm making sense and you understand what I'm saying. This is the base information about battery, which is then stored while battery is in use. This chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. The electrical energy used in the battery is DC, not AC. Please, let's take note about this. Thanks for